Vempanattu Lake, often referred to as Vempanattu Lake, is the largest lake in the southern Indian state of Kerala. Spanning approximately 96.5 kilometers in length and varying in width, it is a prominent feature of the Kerala backwaters, a unique network of brackish lagoons, canals, and lakes that stretch along the Kerala coast. Vempanattu Lake plays a vital role in the region's ecology and culture. It is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, with lush greenery, coconut groves, and picturesque villages lining its shores. The lake is a critical ecosystem that supports diverse flora and fauna, including several endangered species. It serves as a habitat for numerous bird species, making it a popular destination for birdwatchers. The livelihoods of many local communities depend on Vempanattu Lake, as it sustains fishing, agriculture, and tourism industries. Traditional houseboats, known as ketavallams, offer a unique way for tourists to explore the lake and its surroundings, providing an authentic experience of Kerala's backwater lifestyle. However, the lake faces challenges such as pollution, siltation, and encroachment, which require ongoing conservation efforts to preserve its ecological and cultural significance. Despite these challenges, Vempanattu Lake remains a symbol of Kerala's natural beauty and a vital part of the state's heritage.